There's a couple boxes sitting in my house here. And as you can tell what this video is going to pretty much be about, I ordered the MBRP race quad tip, I guess, exhaust. I think they're 4-inch tips. I'll look whenever I open this, but today we're going to install this on my Camaro, just sitting outside. And I'm also going to put the new Valance on, because right now the car has the dual tips, as you'll see in the video, and we're going to go ahead and put the Valance on, which is a gloss black Valance, so it'll look a lot better. And we're going to throw this on and see how it is. So, as I'm sure y'all are interested to see what it looks like, and my dog is as well, let's see what is in here. I haven't opened this up yet, as you can tell, so I'm not sure if this is even the right side to be opening. Alrighty, let's see. Alright, some big old pipe in there. Nice. Alright. Very nice. So I guess there's like 3 pieces. Those go out. I think this is what that goes into, and those where the tips go on. Don't know if these are the tips. Okay, yeah, these are definitely each tip. That probably slides over this. There should be instructions here. Yep, they're in there. So I guess it's 1, 2, 3, maybe a 4-piece exhaust. I don't know, I'll tell you here in a minute, but let's pull out some of these tips here. Let's go ahead and pop one of these open. Oh yeah. That's gonna look excellent. That is really gonna look good on the back of my car. So I'm very excited, and so is Buster, to get this on my car. And as you can tell, that's just gonna look way better. I reused the little reflector lights on it. So it's gonna go on here in a little bit. We're gonna show you how to do this. By the looks of it, looks like there's just some screws you gotta take off, and I think there's 2 bolts here after I watched one video on how to do it. And then these tabs are also a pain to pop off. You just gotta do it correctly, and I heard these look kind of fun. Not sure how those come off, but all that I'm gonna tell you what we do. If I don't show it, sorry, I'll explain it after the best I can on how to take all of that off. But yeah, that's gonna look so much better. So we're gonna do one more cold start with the stock exhaust. Let's go over here and do that, and I'll show you what the dual exhaust looks like. It's not going to look as good as the quad, but we're going to go ahead and fire it up for the last time with the stock exhaust. So as you can tell, it's more of a, it's not really gloss, it's like a, I don't know how you describe that, it's just a plain plastic. So let's go ahead and fire it up. All the rattles in that big old bathtub. So that's what it looks like under all that's coming out. So it'll be an upgrade for sure. All right, look at that. That looks like crap. I don't like it. GM Pinto down. But the 7mm bolts right here. You can take all those out, and then there's a couple down here in the middle. I think and then I guess we just got to start popping everything off and get this valance off. Well, it's nice and dark. All these have little tabs in there. This thing was actually kind of a pain to take off, and then these tabs go around here. If this helps, got to undo all this. There's a bunch of clips you got to take off. These are what's left now. So now we're about to cut the exhaust. The cut line is right behind, let me find the paper, it's right behind the rear frame here. Let's see, right here. If you can see that. It's right behind the frame toward the back. So we're gonna go ahead and chop that bad boy off, and you can see where they even put the pinch. So it's just a little farther forward. We're gonna go under there and take a look. So we're gonna jack the car up, and it looks like to be about right there. So pinch right there. So I'm gonna put the car up in the air, and then we're gonna go ahead and fiddle with that. All right, well, we cut it. Now, because we're here, let's see what it sounds like. Nice. That went on a lot better.
Okay, hold on. Put some.
There, yeah. Hold that right here. There we go. All right.
This.
Got it.
Cool. Where's you got some nuts over there?
Yep.
Out somewhere.
Oh, they're over here. There, that's what it looks like. We just gotta do some adjusting. I'm gonna put the tips on and the valance.
You missed all the fun.
Well, we got the valance on. We just gotta put the tips on. Kind of easier to put the valance on than take it off, that's for sure. And we just gotta do some adjustments, left everything loose, and put the tips on and go out and see how it performs. All right, got it all done. We're gonna fire it up and see what y'all think, and in the next video I will go ahead and do a full-on driving review and such. But it actually took us probably started at what, 7:30? I think.
Yeah.
It's 9 o'clock, so took a while, but not too bad. So I got the exhaust done. Looks, well, can't really tell, but you saw it. Looks really, really good. The valance looks awesome on the back. So I will be doing a separate video on the exhaust and the valance and stuff like that. That'll be at a later date, but yeah, car sounds great. Really, really impressed with how it sounds. And for the quality of this exhaust, MBRP did a good job, and it's very affordable. So anyway, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and do that. And if you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and do that as well. And be on the lookout for the exhaust video. I'll have that up here shortly. See you guys.